Here's a surprising fact. Studies show that 96% of the things we worry about never actually happen. Now, look at this classroom. What would you think of when you first look at this classroom? It would be joy, fun, golden days, laughter, etc. But if you ask a 9th or 10th grader the same question, he would probably give a different answer. The answer might be stress. There are three reasons why one feels stressed. Number one, their urge to be perfect and be accepted by everyone. Number two, they're trying to fulfill the expectations of someone else. Number three, worrying about the future instead of living in the present. Let me give you a quite common example for this. That is, one feels stressed about how he is going to present the exam instead of studying it. This is a quite common scenario during exams. If you get stressed constantly, something happens in your brain. What happens is that it develops a fight or flight response, which is a survival mechanism to protect you from real danger. Fight or flight response is a mechanism that trains your body to either confront the threat or escape from it. What happens is that if you get stressed constantly, the brain thinks that you're in an actual real life threatening situation. This should not happen, because if this happens constantly, either you get mental issues or eventually you might also end up having physical problems. In fact, research shows that 75% to 90% of medical office visits are related to stress and stress management. Long-term stress can also contribute in cardiovascular diseases, sleep disorders, and many other diseases. Now, what is the solution to this problem? Do something that relaxes your mind. Find something that you love. For me, it's dance. For you, it could be music, art, or just spending some time in nature. So, how is this going to help you? Each time you try to relax your mind, these false danger signals and other factors contributing to your stress grow weaker day by day, and eventually your stress levels drop down. In the end, I would like to conclude saying that stress will always be a part of your life if you choose it. So don't let stress take over you and control you. Thank you.